example we are going to see here today is how to split a column by a delimiter. So input a column through different methods. In this case, the column selected can be split by a delimiter. First, we are going to see where to columns by delimiter. You can find the split columns by delimiter option in three places: under home and split column by delimiter, next transform and split column by delimiter, or else by right click split column by delimiter. So next we are going to see how to split the columns by delimiter, and the delimitation will be happen as a column. In this example, the initial table that has the financial value currently shows the segment, country, location, discount and month merged and loaded with the help of a pipeline delimited file. So now we are going to split this based on the pipeline delimitation. So for that, enter split column delimiter, and we have multiple options here that shows comma delimitation, delays, colon, space, tab, and we have the custom option. So whatever the delimiter is not reflecting in the existing list, we can give a user defined delimitation over. So currently pipe to delimit pipeline, so we can give the pipeline symbol. We can split the options. Delimit leftmost delimit entire column based on the pipeline. Similarly, the rightmost will split the column based on the last existence of the pipeline character. So here what we require is each occurrence of the delimiter. So each occurrence will split the columns by counting how many pipelines reflecting in a specific cell, and it should be splitted equally. If the pipeline characters are not even in the column, inaccurate, inaccurate, which results in multiple columns. So after selecting the pipeline delimiter on each occurrence of the deal, we can click on OK. The data will be delimited and the data types for the each and every field will be aligned accordingly. And we can rename the columns by double click on does, and we can rename it however as per our requirement. So before splitting this one, we have two that help us to split a column. If you are going to split and deal by deal, so it will help us to delimit based on columns or rows. If we delimit based on rows, then it will be splitted and delimited one below the other in rows. And if you want to split it into columns, we can select the column option here. So usually rows will be useful when splitting in the columns like with accumulated or consolidated values. So the first line will be like government Canada Carretera and none with the month of January is a single line which has moved on to each and a new line which has been splitted into multiple rows, which increases the number of rows in the database table. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and also click on the bell button to receive such videos in the future. Thank you once again.